Hello everyone, I know that you are here for this problem which is very annoying and frustrating. In Blender preferences, there is no visible add-on showing in extensions or add-ons. It is completely blank showing in both of these options. I found the solution and I thought to share it with you guys because sharing is caring. So the solution is you just have to go to your project and just go to tool. You have to find this workspace tab and there you go. You can see that there is a system blender extension checkbox. You just have to check this box and here we go. You can see all the add-ons here. Everything is visible now. Also you have to check if any add-ons is disabled from here. You have to check it from here. I don't know why it is happening just after updating Blender to 4.2 version, but it is a quick fix. So yeah, that's it.